Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I paint a sunset over the ocean using the wet on wet technique. And the best part, you'll see the whole process from start to finish all in just 3 minutes. Saturate the bottom area with water. Wet the front and back of the paper very well.
I found painting in Barcelona on a street corner in the rain. I found dancing in Buenos Aires, learning tango through the pain. I found writing in a Tokyo cafe where nobody knew my name. Foreign cities taught me how to play when I was far from change. In every new place I shared.
Now let's paint a sunset sky with the wet on wet technique.
I didn't know it then. Foreign cities hold the key to finding who I'm meant to be.
Start with the yellow above the horizon, then paint the dark blue at the top and blend down. It's much easier this way.
Cities where nobody knows my past. Free to try without the pity. Free to fail, free at last. Finding hobbies in foreign cities. Every street a brand new start. Languages I barely speak, but hobbies speak straight to the heart. I found cooking in Marrakesh.
Paint the sky and sea fast before the paper dries.
Found hiking in Swiss mountains, learning I don't need a race. I found photography in Prague, capturing what I couldn't say. Foreign cities are my catalog of discovering my way. Every city teaches different lessons about what makes me come alive. Foreign places are my blessings, showing me how to thrive.
Use a tissue to lift the light areas. It gives a transparent look.
And free, trying things without committing.
Add the distant wave details.
Finding hobbies in foreign cities, every corner holds surprise. I'm collecting pieces of my
Softly erase the spot with a tissue to create space for the boat. Next, we'll paint the faraway mountain ridge.
every flower chance to grow.
Start with the sky, then the sea, the horizon, and work your way forward. Now I'm going to paint the boat on the ocean using a negative painting technique. Choose one main subject and render it with fine detail. Now deepen the color of the foreground water.
From Paris to
Add the shadows and we're done.
London to Rio, my hobbies tell the story of it wherever